Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Peter here. Today we're gonna do a bit of bird photography at Karkarook Park in suburban Melbourne. The weather is beautiful, it's 24 degrees, so I wanted to take advantage of it. I've only seen a few Eurasian coots so far. I'm gonna go onto the jetty. I can see a woolly wagtail over there. I managed to take a short clip of a woolly wagtail, but unfortunately they just hopped away. They're still around there, but I'm hoping that they will come back a little bit closer. I'm gonna turn this tripod around and maybe capture this snake bird or Australasian dada. I should get a little bit closer, it's a bit too far away. Okay, I'm gonna just turn this around and try to capture these black swans that are swimming this way. I just spotted a beautiful little swallowtail that's perched right there on the fence. It's looking straight at me. So tiny. So cute. Just preening themselves at the moment. I've tried to capture this species in flight and it's almost impossible. They are extremely quick, super nimble, very tiny as well, and they change direction extremely quickly and very unpredictably.
I finally got lucky today though. I managed to take 2 in-flight shots of a welcome swallow as it was taking off from the fence.
The snakebird is right there. It's really nice side lighting. Come on, yeah, that's better.
After a few minutes, the couple of welcome swallows ended up returning to the same spot on the fence and I managed to grab a few more frames of them.
I usually don't shoot on a tripod because it just limits me in my movement and I'm a bit uncomfortable at the moment. but I need to get accustomed to taking footage as well, along with the stills. The snakebird just got out of the water. It's drying its wings at the moment. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to capture it while it was hunting for fish. Beautiful black swans are over here. I'm just gonna take a couple of stills first. So beautiful, unreal. Little water droplets. Go and get the catch light. Nice. Even better. And then this one is getting closer to me. Oh, beautiful. They're expecting to be fed. Not this time. Let's take some videos now. I got ants all over me. Holy shit. Let's see what we've got. Those seagulls are going mental. I think we're gonna wrap this up here and move to another location. Switch off the camera just temporarily, grab the tripod, and off we go. So far so good. We managed to capture a few bird species. We're gonna go to the last leg of our bird shooting race and hopefully finish it on a high by capturing a few more bird species. So let's go. Australasian grapes. I think they are juveniles because they are rather tiny from what I can see. And maybe lift the center column up if I can. They're just chilling at the moment, those two little grapes. Well, actually there are three. I want to capture them again, but this time from a different angle. This might be a little bit better. With a bit of front lighting, we get more detail. I got a little pied cormorant just perched on one of those buoys, drying itself. I'm using those boys in the composition as a leading line. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please consider subscribing, and see you guys very soon in the next one.